My name's Ken McDonald. We started off way back in 1998. We have grown with 3 employees from the start to about 47. We principally are underground power installation company. So this particular job we're putting 33 kV under the ground down at a metre, which is a great big cable. So as Christchurch grows, we are reinforcing from one substation, one area to another area. So we need diggers that are precise and easy to control. With a little bit of research, I decided that the best digger on the market was the Yanmar. So we've continued to develop that relationship with Transdiesel.
My name's Tim. I'm one of the directors of Atlas Group. I run all the day-to-day operations. I used to operate the Yanmars, basically learned on a Yanmar, and to be honest, I don't think I'd ever change. The guys just love operating the Yanmars. They're smooth, they're reliable, and look, we get a great service out of Transdiesel.
It comes back to me all the time that Yanmar are the smoothest, quietest, easiest digger to work on the job. Why would I not buy something that keeps everybody happy? One
thing that really stands out for me with the Transdiesel team is they are really proud of what they're selling. They're always keen to drop everything and come and help us out if need be. And
Transdiesel, straight up what they say is what they're going to do. Really good. Their workshop, their after sales service, they're very passionate and very flexible. I think that's why I like dealing with them. I feel welcome every time I go into there. I highly rate them as people to deal with. Purchasing these machines, not only purchasing, looking after the machines, the after sales service, everything about Transdiesel is second to none. It's really good.